Welcome back. In
Welcome
this
back.
full guide 2026, I'll show you how to fix the Krisp AI login problem. If you can't sign into your Krisp account, keep getting an authentication error, or the login page isn't working, don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several simple solutions that can help you regain access to your account. Let's get started. First, make sure you're entering the correct email address and password. Double-check for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or an incorrect keyboard layout. If you've forgotten your password, click the **forgot password ** option and follow the instructions to reset it. Next, check your internet connection. Krisp AI requires a stable connection to verify your account and complete the login process. If your connection is unstable, refresh it and try signing in again. If the login page still doesn't work, restart the Krisp AI application and try again. You can also restart your computer to clear temporary software issues that may be preventing the app from connecting properly. Another helpful step is to update Krisp AI to the latest version. Older versions may have compatibility issues or bugs that affect account sign-in. After updating, reopen the application and try logging in again. If you're using Google, Apple, or another sign-in provider, make sure you're choosing the same login method you used when you originally created your Krisp account. Using a different sign-in option may prevent you from accessing your existing account. You should also temporarily disable your VPN, firewall, or antivirus software if they're blocking Krisp AI from connecting to its servers. After testing, you can enable them again if they aren't causing the issue. If the problem continues, clear the application's cached data by reinstalling Krisp AI. Uninstall the program completely, restart your computer, and install the latest version. This can resolve corrupted files or damaged login settings, and that's how to fix the Krisp AI login problem. Thanks for watching this full guide 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Krisp AI tips and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.